Alright, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to be mocking up the rear axles and front axles. As you can see here, I've already put my hubs in here. This is technically a steering hub. I believe this part comes from the A959. I could be wrong, or 969. I don't remember, but this one you don't have to use. I'm using it because I have it. And this will give me the ability, if I custom make a bracket, to adjust my toe on the rear side. And as you can see, I got the same exact part up front. Just turn the other direction. Now the main purpose of this, I installed my bearings, inners and outers. I installed the little wheel output shaft, the axles, and so on and so forth. This is just a mock-up. These are where these reference lines come in handy. Got your center point that runs all the way down the center of the chassis, all the way up. This is just a good eyeball reference. Get everything eyeballed up. My shaft straight. That's straight. This is 256 millimeters of this line. This is 252 millimeters. Because there are some touring car bodies that are a little bit shorter, so I got a holes drilled for both. I can easily relocate it if I have to. What else I want to say? Oh, what I want to do, not necessary, but what I want to do, focus, is drop the rear axle down, dig a hole down in here to where these axles are sitting flat, like so. So as you can see from the old A979 chassis, how they got these little grooves here and here. I'm just going to simply, once I got my axle set where I want it, I'm going to just basically draw a little outline with a Sharpie. That'll get me close. Then I'm going to take this chassis here, I'm going to draw these two little squares into the plastic here. Then I'm going to slowly hog it out with my Dremel rotary tool and keep test fitting it, making minute cuts and adjustments as necessary until these axles ride flat. And that's not necessary, but I'd highly recommend it if you are doing that. But again, this is using the WL Toys, so you may have something totally different. And I'm going to clean up all this stuff later, all the imperfections. This is probably going to have to be ground down. That's probably going to have to be ground down to make room for the steering rods anyway. So I ain't too worried about that as of yet. I hope this helps you out, guys, but let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer them as best as I can.